Hello there, welcome to this short but efficient 5-minute yoga practice. Let's begin together in a comfortable seat. So as you arrive on your mat, settle into your posture and notice if you want to have your palms facing up or down for a moment to settle in. Find length through the spine. Notice the crown of your head reaching up towards the skies above you. Your heart slightly elevating. And your palms just softening down onto your legs. Softly becoming aware of your breath. And now let's move with our breath. As you inhale, reach your arms out and our palms meet. Exhale, hands through the heart. 2 more rounds. Inhale, find length. Palms meet in prayer and then draw them through the heart. Release. 1 more round. Inhale, reach for length. Finding your breath and exhale all the way down. Very nice. From here, let's move into child's pose. So find your way briefly onto all fours and then bring your big toes together. Knees as wide apart as you would like them to bring and crawl your hands forward to allow your forehead to soften down towards the earth. And as you settle into Balasana, your child's pose here, we continue finding a nice nourishing breath. So imagine in every in-breath your body is rising, your hands are reaching forward, out-breath to soften. And then gently start to rock your head side to side and allow the middle of your body and all the way down into your hips to move. Walk your palms back in toward you. And then bring your hands all the way over to the left side of your mat. Reach through the right fingertips, bend your left elbow, side stretch. And then take it all the way over to the other side. Left arm is long, forehead is bowing down. Nice opening from the fingertips into the hips. Beautiful work. And then bring your hands all the way back to center and lift your body up into your tabletop. From here, drop the belly, lift your chest and your gaze. Exhale, round your back. For cat and cow again, drop the belly, open your heart. Inhale. Exhale to round. Very nice. Breathing in, again dropping the belly, lifting heart and gaze forward. And exhale, exhale, exhale to round. And as you find back to tabletop now, reach your left arm out and up. Inhale. For thread the needle, reach it underneath the opposite armpit. Lower down onto your shoulder. Come onto your right fingertips. And notice if you can lift the heart slightly more towards the ceiling, opening through the right side body. Take another breath here. And then pushing back through center. Inhale, left hand is reaching. Exhale down. For the other side, take the right arm out and up, thread the needle, take it underneath and over. Lower it down onto your forearm, your upper arm. Make sure your head, your neck is nice and long here. Coming onto the left fingertips, feeling the heart, the chest opening, hips lifting back. Beautiful work. And then for your first downward facing dog, bring your hands back through center and lift the hips all the way back and up into downward facing dog. Fingers are spreading wide, feet hip width apart, and then start to move in any way that feels good and nourishing for the body. Bending the legs, you can do hip circles, anything that feels nice. And let's start with a flow. Roll forward into plank, drop the knees down. Inhale, thread the heart, the chest forward, a version of cobra. And exhale back through tabletop into downward facing dog. Again, inhale, lift the heels, roll forward into plank or half plank with the knees down. Thread your body forward and through, open the heart. And with like that wave motion, back into down dog. Inhale, lift, drop the knees down, thread the heart forward and through, breathing in, breathing out. And then this time, bring your hands back towards your body for a more traditional version of child's pose. Knees are only about body width apart, forehead softens, and your hands are reaching towards your feet. And although it's a very short practice today, allow yourself to settle for a moment. Then as you inhale, curl through the spine, reach your arms out and up. Bring your hands to the heart. A moment to bow your head towards your heart in gratitude. Namaste.